Imagine this. It's late at night. You're lying in bed, tossing and turning. Your mind is racing with thoughts, work, family, tomorrow's tasks, and your body feels restless. You look at the clock, midnight, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., the frustration builds, and sleep seems impossible. Does this sound familiar? Millions of people around the world face this exact struggle every single night. But what if I told you that in just 10 minutes with a simple yoga routine, you could quiet your mind, release your body's tension, and drift into the deepest, most peaceful sleep of your life? Welcome to Ageless Vitality, the place where we help you unlock energy, calm, and balance at any age. Tonight, I'll guide you through a gentle bedtime yoga sequence designed to help you sleep like a baby. So dim the lights, grab your pillow, and let's begin this beautiful journey together, setting the mood. Before we dive in, let me remind you, this isn't about flexibility or pushing your body hard. This routine is for everyone, no matter your age or fitness level. It's about slowing down, letting go of the day, and preparing both your body and mind for rest. All you need is a quiet space, maybe a yoga mat, or even the comfort of your bed, and 10 minutes of time that you gift to yourself. Think of it as a small nightly ritual, a signal to your brain and body that it's safe to switch off and rest. Step 1, breathing. 2, release stress, 2 minutes. We begin with the most important element, your breath. Sit comfortably either on your mat or on your bed, in a simple cross-legged position. Place one hand on your heart and the other on your belly. Close your eyes gently and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, allowing your belly to rise. Hold it for a moment and then exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling your belly fall. Do this for 5 to 7 cycles. As you breathe, focus only on the sound of your breath. Each inhale should feel like a wave washing over you, and each exhale should feel like a release of all the day's stress. This simple breathing technique signals your nervous system to slow down, lowers your heart rate, and gently tells your body it's time to rest. Step 2, forward fold for tension. Release, 2 minutes. Now let's move into a gentle forward fold, a pose that releases deep tension from your back and hamstrings. Sit with your legs stretched out in front of you. Inhale, raising your arms above your head, and as you exhale, fold forward gently, reaching for your toes or shins. Wherever your flexibility allows, don't force it. Let gravity guide you down. Allow your head to hang heavy in your shoulders to completely relax. As you stay in this position, breathe deeply and imagine the stress of your entire day melting away with each exhale. Forward folds are incredibly soothing for the nervous system and help calm racing thoughts, making them perfect right before bedtime. Hold this position for 1 to 2 minutes and let yourself surrender into the stretch. Step 3, legs up the wall, 2 minutes. Next, we'll move into one of the most restorative poses in yoga, legs up the wall, or Viparita Karani. Lie down on your back and extend your legs upward so that they rest comfortably against the wall. If you don't have a wall nearby, you can simply raise your legs and support them with pillows. Place your arms gently by your side, palms facing upward, and close your eyes. Stay here for about 2 minutes, breathing naturally. This pose is deeply relaxing because it improves blood circulation, reduces swelling in tired feet and legs, and allows your heart to rest. More importantly, it sends a calming signal to your brain, telling it that the body is safe, secure, and ready for sleep. Many people say that this single pose alone has transformed their bedtime routine. Step 4, supine twist, 2 minutes. Now let's release the spine with a gentle supine twist. Lie down on your back. Bend your knees and hug them to your chest. Slowly drop both knees to the right side while keeping your arms stretched out in a T shape. Turn your head gently to the left, feeling the stretch through your spine and shoulders. Breathe deeply here for 1 minute. The supine twist is like a massage for your internal organs. It squeezes out the tension that builds up in your lower back and hips during the day and helps detoxify the body. Step 5, final. Relaxation, corpse pose, 2 minutes or more. We now come to the final stage, the ultimate relaxation pose. Savasana, also known as corpse pose. Lie flat on your back with your legs spread comfortably, apart in your arms by your side, palms facing up. Close your eyes and allow your body to sink into the surface beneath you. Take a slow, deep breath in and silently say to yourself, I am calm. As you exhale, repeat in your mind, I am ready for rest. Continue this mantra with your breath, letting every muscle in your body soften and melt away tension. Stay in this pose for at least 2 minutes or longer if you prefer. If you feel yourself drifting into sleep, let it happen. That's exactly the goal, gentle motivation. And there you have it, just 10 minutes of gentle yoga before bed. By combining mindful breathing, calming, stretches, and deep relaxation, you've given your body and mind the perfect environment for peaceful, restorative sleep. Do this routine every night for 1 week and you'll begin to notice real changes. Falling asleep will feel easier, your sleep will become deeper, and you'll wake up feeling refreshed and energized like never before. Remember, the key is consistency. Treat this routine not as exercise, but as self-care, your gift to yourself after a long day. Please give this video a like, share it with a friend who struggles with sleep, and subscribe to Ageless Vitality for more simple, powerful routines designed to bring health, calm, and happiness into your life at any age. Sweet dreams, and remember, your nights of tossing and turning are over. Tonight you sleep like a baby,